Hey everybody, Jeff Williams here with AskJeffWilliams.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how long it takes us to get an ounce of gold down here in our drift mine. All that and a whole lot more coming up. Ask Jeff Williams. Here, let me turn this off so I don't blind you. Now, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn how to find gold, and be successful at it while learning other gold mining stuff, start now by hitting the subscribe button and joining the crew. And before you know it, you'll be finding AU too. And one more reason to want to subscribe is when we reach the 200,000 subscription mark, which is right around the corner, we're going to be giving away 200 bags of pay dirt, son of Jim. How do you like them beans? You want to know what 200 bags of pay dirt looks like? It looks something like this, boy. You see that? You see it, boy? That's 200 bags of pay dirt right there. All you gotta do is subscribe, and it's free. Bags and bags of it. Now, first things first, what are we doing? I'm gonna show you how long it takes to get an ounce of gold out of this drift mine. I thought for the new year, we'd start going into this cave system because everybody's been asking about it. We encountered a super hard layer of caliche, cemented caliche. This is what cemented caliche looks like. See that? It's like solid rock, sonny boy. So how do you get through it? Well, how do you think we get through it? By drilling a series of holes. That's how. That should fracture that rock real good. And then that way we can get on in there. Now the neat thing about this cemented caliche is it acts like a false bedrock. It's got all the characteristics of regular bedrock, and I thought all that material that we keep moving over the top of this, maybe the bedrock has trapped some gold. So we started metal detecting and we found a target. Of course, we got our holes drilled in there. Now, look at this. Where are you? Right there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and dig that bunker out. I had a few more, but that one's the loudest. Let's see what we got. Get my lens all dirty. Ha! You see it? Come on, boy. I know you saw that, right? Right there. Look at that bunker. Look at that bunker right there. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Cleans up good. I know just where to store it too. Right there. It ain't going nowhere in there, boy. Alright, so what are we doing? Well, we got the Garrett Atx here. We're going to go over this pocket. See if there's anything in here that's deeper than the VLFs can handle. Because this thing is really good at finding big gold. Alright, let's get it fired up. Just on a quick note, I wanted you to see some of the round river rock we're pulling out down here. It's all over the place. Alright, let's go ahead and turn this bunker on. Alright, do the frequency scan. You gotta do the frequency scan first before you ground balance. Takes about 30 seconds to a minute. Alright, the ground balance. You're gonna hit your shift key, which is this key here. Then you're gonna push and hold in on this key right here. Turns red. Grab him, start pumping the coil. Until it gets quiet. Like that. Then you're good to go, son of Jim. There's something in there. Alright, let's get on in there, boy, and find out what it is. Look at that soft sand right there. And then there's a pocket of that conglomerate right there. See that? And there's that soft, loamy sand. my old drill hole. Gravel coming out of there. I'm telling you, this is perfect material. Right. Let's get that up in there. Camera in there. Get my light on so I can see what I'm doing. I love these pics. Then I get these rocks like this. Look at that. But it's angular. What is that, a fossil? It almost looks like a fossil. Well, I'm not hearing nothing. Let me get the VLF in here. Whatever it is, it's pretty deep. I can't seem to get it with the VLF. There's something down there. Alright, Sonny Jim, I'm going to bring in the hammer drill because this is too hard to go through by hand. Look at this. I want you to get a good look at this. Look. Look at this river rock I got stuck in here. There's one there. There's one there. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful looking conglomerate? Oh yeah, the stuff dreams are made of, I tell you what, boy. Alright, so it's in here somewhere. I just gotta work this out. It's exhausting. Look at how soft that is. Look at that. Just falls away. Oh, what's that? I thought that was a nugget. Wouldn't it be nice if that was a nugget? Look at that mocker. That'd make a nice nugget right there. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Look how soft that is. Fine sediment. Look at that. Yeah. Getting closer, sonny boy. Right there, baby. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's dig this baby out. You gotta love drift mining, Sonny Jim. It'll work your metal, I tell you what. And don't try this if you're claustrophobic. Ooh, what if this is the 5 ouncer I've been talking about? In there, dig it out, boy. No room. Whatever it is, it's right there. Wow, you see that? You see it, boy? Look at that. Right there. I don't got my glasses on and I can see it. See it sticking out? Oh yeah, baby. That's the stuff dreams are made of right there. Ooh, I hope it's a 5 ouncer. You see it, boy? Huh? Ah. Oh man, I'm shaking now. Yeah, look at that monker. It's really soft. Come on. Is that it? Is that it? What is it? Where are you? I thought I saw. Is that it? Oh, it's not it. Where are you? Where the heck are you? Is that it? Ah, shut up. Oh, hush! That's the sound I like right there, boy. Come on, I know you're big. Oh, there it is right there! You see it? You see it, boy? Look at that monker right there.
Oh, yeah!
Come on, baby, be a 5 ouncer. 5 ouncer. Oh, I got you. I got you. Look at that. Oh, that's a 1 ouncer for sure. Look at that monker. Oh, oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah! Oh, yeah, baby!
Oh, yeah!
I'm talking. Look at that monker. Look at that. That feels like 1 ouncer for sure. Woo, doggy! Yeah! Oh, and they said I was crazy for digging this hole. Who's crazy now, boy? Look at how big that monker is. That's a 1 ouncer for sure. Oh, you want me to clean it up? You want me to clean it up, boy? Oh, I know you do. Hold on. Oh, I'm big! It's a solid chunk of gold, baby! Look at that, yeah! Woo, doggy! Let's weigh it up and see what it weighs. Look at that. Look at that, boy. Look at that. Is that a big chunk of gold or what? Yeah, baby!
Oh yeah!
So you want to know how long it takes to get an ounce of gold down here? Well, you just saw it, son of Jim. About 20 minutes. Ooh, and I'll be giving this mucker away, too, to one of my premium patrons. Ooh, I bet you they can't wait to pop this mucker in their mouth. And speaking of premium patrons, I just want to give a big cowboy yeehaw and shout out to each and every one of my premium patrons, because I couldn't do this without them, and you know that. Ooh, you ready? Ooh, you better, boy. Yeehaw! Now, for those of you out there that missed class that day and don't have a clue as to what's going on, allow me to educate you, boy. All the gold that comes out of this drift mine goes directly to my premium patrons. Just my way of saying thank you for helping me keep the dream alive. And not only that, but they get a whole lot more. Like coming out on our 3-day gold mining adventures where they get to keep all the gold they find. Ooh, and have you seen some of the nuggets that they've been getting? Ooh, it'll make your blood boil, boy. Plus, we also give them personally signed Garrett Super Sluice gold panning kits. Ooh, with a bag of pay dirt inside. Plus, they also have access to our latest book, Where to Find Gold by Jeff and Slim. And t-shirts too. Now this sounds like something you want to get involved with. It's real easy, son. Just look for the link at the end of the video that looks something like that. Just click on it, make a $10 pledge. You're in like Flynn, son. And we even have a Find Slim contest. All you gotta do is find him and you'll win yourself a bag of pay dirt. So until next time, this is Jeff Williams and who? Ooh, you better know who. You like the finer things in life. Saying you've been out looking for nuggets, but not much luck cause you're new. Ooh, become a premium patron, son of boy. Ooh, and you could get 1 ounce AU. Take care, everybody.